This is another piece of work we've done within the University of Southampton, looking at basically the nanoclays as a treatment to be used under dressings on wounds. And really the mode of action is, again, based on the ability to draw in proteins from the local environment and stabilize the local environment. Initially, we are pursuing this approach as a way of delivering growth factors such as VEGF, which is key for stimulating angiogenesis, which was often impeded in diabetic wounds. But actually, we found that in our controls without VEGF, the clay performed very well on its own. And so we're now exploring that as a clinical product as well for treating diabetic wounds.